Hey guys, how's it going? Spec M Auto is back with another video today. You guys might be wondering, Max, why do you have these random tan headrests with masking tape on them? Because today we're testing out a product and this is our test dummy for today. So you guys probably already have an idea based on the title, blah 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 blah, but here we go. Duplicolor vinyl and fabric specialty coating, flexible finish, ideal use for dashboards, door panels, center consoles trim, and seats. These are seat parts, not actual seats, but they count them as a seat. So we're going to be testing this today. So my goal, guys, is to spray these bad boys all black, and we're going to see if they come out really good, and if it'll get rid of all these little squiggle lines from this original pattern, and just make it in the one solid black color with no lines exposed. I'm going to be rating how good it feels on the fabric once it dries, how it looks, the finish, and more. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take it over there, sit it on there, and we're going to start spraying away. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Here are the directions on how to use it. Basically it says you have to clean the surface, make sure it's cleaned and masked off so you don't have overspray and excess, etc. It tells you the temperatures of, recommended temperatures and all that to paint with or spray with. Apply 2 coats. And then down here, you guys can see the steps. It just pretty much says spray a couple coats, wait a half hour, and it's dry. And you got to make the coats even Steven. So let's get it shooken up, and we'll get started with the painting. All right, I keep calling it painting. I'm so used to calling it paint. It's more of like a dye kind of deal, I guess. I'm not sure, but all right, let's get it going. Let's see how this comes out, guys. Alright, here's the first layer. I'm going to add 2 more layers and we'll see how it comes out here in a couple minutes. Alrighty guys, so it's the next day. It got too dark, so I had to stop for the night. Next morning, I did some final touches. Well, this morning, technically. I put final touches on it, and I finished it off, cleaned it off, and they came out very good for something that was not meant for this. You could actually, you can pretty much never tell that this was, sprayed with vinyl fabric kind of spray. It's nice and shiny, but that's fine because it's going to be in the back of the car, and, sun's going to fade it a little bit over time. But, yeah, check these out, guys. They're all done, and they're ready to go. Of course, I didn't put as much of an effort into this back side of it because obviously it's going to be in the seat. So you're only going to, at the most, see, this top and the sides maybe, but that's it. They came out really, really good, and they're going to be put into my car. You can almost tell that you can't even see the lines. Of course in the light you will, but for example, from right here, look at the top. You can't really even see really much anything. So that's good, especially when I go to tint my windows and stuff. It's going to be dark, so you're not going to see the dumb lines. So I guess for me, this is pretty much a success. And it's not complete scruff and stuff. It's still nice and soft. A couple of very, very small scruffy spots here and there, but I mean, no one's just going to randomly start feeling these motherfuckers up, so it doesn't matter. And they're not completely stiff like you would think. Because since these are made to be, you know, flexing with surfaces and stuff that could potentially move, this too is also still very flexible and squishy as before. So that's the good news. And the same goes for this one. See, check it out. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I hope you guys enjoy this little funny experiment. Just kind of for shits and giggles. Like I said earlier in the video, I've been looking for a set of these anyway. And I had a set of these from when I had my other Civic with the tan interior. So obviously I don't have tan interior anymore. I have black now. And I'm not about to buy a new set from the junkyard. So I just redid what I had. I went with the supplies I already had. And this was the final outcome. And so created a new fun little video. If you like funny or fun little experiment videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Very important. Hit the bell icon so you get notified of each upload. I don't do just little experiments like this. I have done experiments before, like headlight restoration experiments and so on and so forth. Just to name a couple in this. But I also do like car reviews, junkyard walk-arounds, vlogs, etc. Have a good day, guys. Stay safe out there. Stay humble. Matches very well. And problem eliminated. Heck yeah.